If you aspire to experience optimal health and wellness or desire to shed some extra pounds, it is absolutely imperative to be mindful of the amount of calories and carbohydrates you consume. This entails abstaining from indulging in junk food that is rife with processed carbohydrates and refined sugars. Even though these treats might be incredibly delicious, they can have a negative effect on your well-being. They are known to trigger inflammation, weight gain, diabetes, obesity, and nerve damage. Therefore, if you wish to steer clear of feeling like an absolute wreck, it is high time to bid farewell to unhealthy snacks and opt for nourishing alternatives. In this video, we will be exploring some exceptional superfoods that are low in carbohydrates and sugar. These wholesome foods will not only help regulate your blood sugar levels, but also provide you with a natural burst of energy, and may even help to lower your blood pressure. Are you ready to make a fresh start and lead a healthier lifestyle? Then don't miss out on this video as we go deeper into the topic. Let's kick off by focusing on cruciferous vegetables, a group of vegetables that includes broccoli, kale, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and spinach. These leafy greens are considered superfoods as they are incredibly nutrient-dense while being low in carbohydrates. They are an essential addition to anyone following a low-carb diet since they do not contain starches like potatoes. Cruciferous vegetables are also abundant in fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals, including vitamin C, folic acid, vitamin A, iron, calcium, copper, selenium, and zinc, all of which play a crucial role in supporting good health. Moreover, they contain secondary metabolites that have been found to reduce the risk of certain colon cancers. This is because of a compound called sulforaphane, which helps protect cells from oxidative stress and removes toxins from the body. Additionally, sulforaphane has been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of heart disease. Cruciferous vegetables are versatile, and they can easily be incorporated into various dishes, from salads and stir-fries to smoothies and soups. Incorporating cruciferous vegetables into your diet is an excellent way to go green and keep your calorie intake in check. Moving on, eggs are an incredibly nutrient-dense food that deserves to be a staple in everyone's diet. One large egg contains roughly half a gram of carbs and 6 grams of protein. Protein is vital for building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and helps you feel full and satisfied, which supports weight loss efforts. Eggs are also a great source of vitamins A, D, E, and K. Vitamin A is essential for vision, immune function, and cell growth, while vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium and maintain strong bones. Vitamin K is required for healthy bones and blood clotting, while vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that aids in protecting cells from oxidative stress. Eggs also contain minerals such as iron, zinc, and selenium. Iron helps transport oxygen throughout the body, zinc controls your immune function and wound healing, while selenium is an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage and is essential for brain and nerve function and liver health. In addition to these nutrients, eggs are also a powerhouse of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that may help protect the eyes from damage. So, next time you crack open an egg, remember that it's not just a tasty breakfast food, it's also packed with nutrients that can support your weight loss goals and overall health. Let's dive deeper into the health benefits of shirataki noodles. These noodles are a fantastic option for anyone looking for a tasty, low-carb alternative to regular noodles. Made from glucomannan, a viscous fiber, shirataki noodles are loaded with health benefits that can support overall health and weight loss. One of the most significant benefits of glucomannan is that it can reduce glucose, cholesterol, and triglycerides, which helps regulate blood pressure levels. Additionally, it may exhibit anti-diabetic, anti-obesity, laxative, prebiotic, and anti-inflammatory effects, making it a great option for individuals looking to improve their gut health. Shirataki noodles have become increasingly popular in Asian and European markets as a healthier alternative to other store-bought noodles. Not only do they contain less than 1 gram of net carbs, but they also have only 15 calories per serving. With their versatile shapes and sizes, you can easily use shirataki noodles to recreate all your favorite noodle dishes. You can find shirataki noodles at many health food stores or online, and they usually come packaged in water and require rinsing and draining before cooking. While they have a slightly chewy texture, you can easily flavor them with your favorite sauces and seasonings. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of coconut oil. Saturated fats have gotten a bad reputation in recent years, but there is evidence that they can be good for us, and coconut oil is an excellent example of this. Coconut oil has 0 carbs and has been shown in several studies to reduce abdominal fat, improve blood lipid levels, and even help people lose weight and belly fat. One reason for these benefits may be the presence of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, in coconut oil. These fats are absorbed directly by the liver and converted into ketones, which can help decrease calorie intake and increase energy levels. Some research even suggests that MCTs can improve the quality of life and cognitive function in those with neurological disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. With all these potential health benefits, it's easy to see why coconut oil is an excellent addition to a low-carb diet. Incorporate it into your cooking routine for a delicious and healthy way to add some extra flavor and health benefits to your meals. Meat and poultry are not only rich in protein but also in essential vitamins and minerals. They are particularly rich in B vitamins, which play a crucial role in maintaining good health, such as supporting the immune system and helping to produce energy. Potassium, another important mineral found in meat and poultry, can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. Furthermore, meat and poultry contain unique nutrients like creatine, taurine, carnosine, and DHA, which have been associated with various health benefits, such as improved cognitive function and muscle performance. Vitamin B12, a nutrient only found in animal products, is critical for the formation of red blood cells and nerve function. Studies have also suggested that including meat and poultry in a low-carb diet may improve cholesterol levels. A diet high in fatty meat has been shown to lead to higher levels of good, HDL, cholesterol compared to a low-fat, high-carb diet. However, it's important to note that not all meat and poultry are created equal. Consider choosing grass-fed and pasture-raised options for better nutrition. These animals tend to have a healthier balance of omega-3 to omega-6 fats and higher levels of antioxidants than grain-fed animals. When it comes to low-carb foods, some nuts and seeds are great options to add to your diet. Almonds, macadamia nuts, pecans, and walnuts are all low in carbs and high in healthy fats and fiber, which can keep you full and satisfied. Additionally, they provide essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and zinc that are good for your body. Chia seeds and flax seeds are also great low-carb options for adding to your diet. Chia seeds are high in fiber and essential nutrients like calcium and phosphorus that are beneficial for strengthening your bones. On the other hand, flax seeds contain lignans, which have anti-inflammatory effects. However, it's important to note that nut and seed oils can be high in inflammatory omega-6s, so it's best to consume whole or freshly ground nuts and seeds instead of oils. It's recommended to mix up your nut and seed intake to obtain various nutrients. However, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes as nuts and seeds are high in calories and can easily lead to overeating if not consumed in moderation. Avocados are also a fantastic addition to your low-carb diet. They contain healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and B vitamins, which have been shown to reduce bad cholesterol levels and improve heart health. In fact, one study showed that increasing avocado consumption led to a significant decrease in bad LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, and an increase in good HDL cholesterol. While 1/2 of a medium avocado contains around 9 grams of carbs, 7 of those grams are from fiber, meaning each half is only 2 grams of net carbs. Thank you for watching this video about the healthiest low-carb and sugar-free foods. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can improve your health and overall well-being. Remember to focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods and limit processed foods for optimal health benefits. Don't be afraid to experiment with new recipes and try out different combinations of these healthy foods to create delicious, satisfying meals. If you've benefited from watching this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so you can never miss out on our educational content.